Oh, what is this guy doing? Holy smokes, dude. He's trying to make a, I don't know, it seemed like he was going the wrong way. We are here. I'm pretty sure these are my tires. Oh yeah, dude, these look really good. Dude, man, it is looking really empty here. Yeah. The last week here, right, in the shop. Yeah. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We've got an important maintenance item we need to do on the E55, and I'm so glad I noticed it early enough. Pretty much, the rear tires are pretty much gone. I mean, if you look at it, I don't know if you can see. They've got threads showing on the driver's side. Let me see if I can get you guys to see the thread on the tires. Oh, there it is. Look at that. That is beautiful. So pretty much what we're going to be doing today is getting rid of the Nitto tires. And man, I loved these Nitto tires, but they've got to go. The fronts are gonna stay though, because the fronts are still good, but the Nittos in the rear are gonna go, and I'm trying out a new set of tires. If they do really good, you guys can actually go ahead and use them on E55. They're pretty budget friendly, and I've been told that these tires are really good, so I'm gonna try them out. I'm gonna see how they do, and then you guys can go ahead and decide if you want to try them out on the E55 or any high horsepower car you have. So let's go ahead and jump on the road and get to the shop, because I need to be there in the next 15 minutes. Hopefully I'm there in the next 15 minutes. These Nitto tires, they were on Monica's E55, so they weren't fresh when I had them, and they were actually still really good. So I am pretty sure if I had them brand new, like, the Nittos would be crazy, like even crazier. But these new tires I'm gonna be trying on, I'll let you guys know once we get to the shop. Man, it looks like it's supposed to rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's pretty cloudy though. Oh, what is this guy doing? Holy smokes, dude. He's trying to make a, I don't know, it seemed like he was going the wrong way. Oh my goodness, this car sounds insane. This car right in front of me actually sounded pretty good also. Oh yeah, you guys hear it? Dang, squeaky windows? Not sure who this is. Oh, okay. Alright guys, we're here. We are here. I'm pretty sure these are my tires. Oh yeah, dude, these look really good. Dude, man, it is looking really empty here. Yeah. The last week here, right, in the shop? Yeah. Alright, so Christian is gonna guide me in. I've actually never done this before. Oh man. This is what I'm working with. Dude, that is nuts. Does it go all the way around? Or just on different spots? Oh yeah, dude.
It's all the way around.
Man, I wish these tires could just, like, at least from like halfway, you know, but no, I mean, no. Yeah. You can't. That's, yeah.
Not with this.
Yeah, that's done. Well, I guess while we're here, we can check out the brake pads. Oh, I got plenty of life. Alright, so you guys, these are the tires. We got a 275 35 18. These are Roadone Cavalry ultra high performance. These are actually Thailand tires. They're from the country of Thailand. So if you guys are thinking these are Chinese budget tires, they're not. They're actually really good tires. They're pretty grippy. They're pretty excellent in the rain also. Again, I told you guys I'm gonna test them out and let you guys know. And I will tell you all about the price on these tires if you guys are curious. I'll let you guys know whenever, you know, we're on the road. It's gonna rain today, so I'm gonna have to drive it a different day, really get on it, see how it feels. I didn't know that E55s use TPMS sensors. If you guys know, let me know. It's been a couple of days since the last clip. The last clip you guys saw, it was raining outside. We couldn't test the tires out, but it's been raining a ton. But now it is pretty nice outside. It's really hot also. So we're gonna go out and test out these tires and see how they hook. We're gonna do some launches and some pulls and see if we lose traction. I mean, we'll probably lose traction, but I think these tires are gonna perform pretty good. And if they do, this is a steal for you guys. Oh, and I did actually take this car out on a road trip, about an 8-hour road trip. And during the trip, it was pouring down the rain. The roads were pretty wet. It was holding water. These tires did really good. So that's a plus on these in the rain. Other than that, I mean, you guys are probably concerned about rain and summer performance. Winter-wise, these do decent. If there's a lot of snow, it's not gonna really do that much. These are really good in the rain and in the summer. So let's go out and test them out real quick, and then I guess we'll dive a little bit into the tires and go from there. Cold start for you guys. Alright, let me see if I can do a lunge here for you guys real quick. We'll see how this goes. Okay, that was phenomenal. Phenomenal. Try and see if we can do another launch here real quick. All right, here we go. Holy smokes. You guys saw that. We didn't lose traction. I think that first launch warmed up the tire perfectly. All right, we're done with launches right now. All right, if we're doing from a dig and we're not losing traction, I bet you we're not gonna lose traction from like a 20 or 40 row. I mean, if you guys want to see that, we can do that real quick. Probably the best would be a 20, from a 20, just because the car is barely moving and that'll be more torque. All right, let's try it out here real quick. Let's see, we'll keep it at, let me see, first gear. Oh yeah, we'll do it at first gear. Alright, this is a 20. Holy smokes. That didn't feel like we lost traction, but it flashed once and that was it. I kind of want to see what 0 to 60 is. With the draggy. Oh man, I don't know, we'll see. I don't really like doing launches that much, but we might do it. You know, we can't do it because I don't have my draggy thing with me. I have my phone, but I was thinking about the app, not the actual draggy device, so we can't do it. But I guess that'll be a future video. Kind of want to do one more launch. Let's see. Why not? Let's do one here real quick. Do like a 20 in first gear. Okay, from a 20, it's not really losing traction that much, but it's losing and then hooking right away for like a split second. The Nittos I had, it took more than a second before it hooked. Plus the Nittos weren't brand new like these tires, but these, oh my goodness, you guys, they're doing pretty good. Also, this is not a sponsored video. I figured I would do this video to help you guys out in terms of, you know, finding a tire that's, you know, budget friendly for any high horsepower car you have. It depends on how much power you're making, but this car with the modifications, you guys already know, like, that's plenty. It's 84 degrees. Not yet super hot, but it's pretty solid, guys. Pretty solid. In terms of like pricing for these tires, just a piece goes for 93 bucks at Priority Tires or even eBay. For a pair, you probably, that's like what, 180, what, 93, or yeah, 93, so 185 bucks, 184 bucks for just a pair of tires. That's really good. And that can do a lot in terms of, you know, ultra high performance applications in the rain. It's pretty good. I really like these tires. I want to find a spot we can park and talk a little bit more about the tires. And if you guys are actually thinking about it, I would highly recommend these tires over the popular name brand tires, you know, like Michelin or Bridgestone is pretty good. They're actually not too pricey, but there is my review on these tires. I'm running 275 35 18. They last about 50,000 miles. I don't know if you can get that out of any other ultra high performance tires, but these are phenomenal. You guys have already seen it on video. They are phenomenal. They're great, and I'm curious to see how long they actually last for. The tread wear on here, I think I saw it earlier. I think it said like 450. If you guys know what I'm talking about. I can't see it now, but yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm glad I got these tires. I figured I'll let you guys know about the tires if you guys are, you know, been looking for tires on the budget side of things, but you want something that handles phenomenal and wouldn't break the bank, and that can handle also really great in the rain and somewhat in the winter, especially if you live up north. These will do phenomenal. They'll do great. So I'm happy about these, and these tires, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using them from now on all the cars. They are very comfy as well. The other specs on it, if you guys are curious, they ride comfortable. They're not rough on the road. I know usually high performance tires are pretty rough on the road. They're not really comfortable. Just because, you know, they're high performance tires they use in the summer on the track. These will actually be great on the track also, but they're pretty comfortable just because they're all season tires, but high performance all season tires. You guys get the flow. Once these tires are done, I'm gonna switch them over to those tires. These tires will probably last for a little bit longer because they're front wheels. Anyways, guys, if you guys are excited about these tires and excited about trying them on, definitely go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new as well. Take care.